Section 2 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, BNS, 2023, titled Definitions and General Explanations, provides clear and precise definitions to ensure unambiguous interpretation and application of the law. Inchoate or incomplete crimes equals in air condition MLA General Principles of Criminal Liability, Formula March equals mens rea, actus, actual, Royce, Coca equals concurrence and causation and harm. Stages of crime, formula, cap and an equals completion, attempt preparation and planning and intention. Major changes or only the Prime Minister can make major changes to the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Formula starts with Prime Minister. Prime Minister Mohammad Osman Fanar. 69 Promise to marry, 103, 2, is mob lynching case law Tahseen Poonawalla and Section 111 is organized crime, 113 is terrorism and 152 is sedition and 197 fake news and 226 attempt to suicide. Formula, the community service notification appears on the mobile app. App starts with Section 226. Section 226, attempt to suicide and Section 209, proclamation, non-appearance and Section 202, public servant unlawfully engage in trade. Formula TPD equals Tipo Donkey. Section 303, 2, theft below 5,000 rupees and money returned and first-time offence and Section 355, public place drunken person and Section 356 defamation. Abatement instigated from abroad to commit for offence in India is Section 48. Section 57 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita addresses the abatement of an offence by a group of more than 10 people or by the public. Actus rea and mens rea are two Latin phrases that are fundamental to criminal law and are used to determine criminal responsibility. Actus rea means guilty act and refers to the physical action of committing a crime. For example, if someone swings a broom to hit another person, that would be considered actus reus. Mens rea means guilty mind and refers to the mental state of the person committing the crime. For example, if someone knows they are committing an illegal act, that would be considered mens rea. Together, actus rea and mens rea provide a framework for assessing guilt and ensuring that justice is served fairly. However, criminal intent isn't required in every situation. For example, strict liability crimes don't require criminal intent.
My name is Georgios Katuru and I'm one of the international members of the Foreign Press Association in London.